When your Gtech cordless sweeper arrives, the first thing you need to do after unpacking it is assemble the handle. There are 3 styles of handle which attach in slightly different ways. Let's have a look at the different styles and how to attach them.
This is what styles 1 and 2 look like. First, we need to find the handle socket on the back of the sweeper, which is here. Then carefully align the handle with the socket, making sure the handle grooves are facing towards the sweeper like this. Then push the handle into the socket until you hear a click, and there you go. Now your lower handle is assembled, the 3 parts of the telescopic handle can all be clicked into place. 1, 2, 3. This is what style 3 looks like. To fix the lower handle, pull out the locking clip here. Then, place the lower handle into the socket, push the locking clip back into place and make sure the handle is upright. Now that the lower handle is assembled, the 3 parts of the telescopic handle can all be clicked into place. 1, 2, 3. You can also clip the duster onto the back of the handle, so all the parts of your sweeper can be kept neatly together. To use the duster, remove the telescopic handle, press the button here and pull the tube out. Then simply attach the duster and away you go. Simple as that.